Good morning students. Last classல domain and range இருக்கிற ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ்லாம் போட்டோம். இப்போ இந்த கிளாஸ்ல வந்து 1 to 1 on to functions இருக்கிற ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ்லாம் போட போறோம். ஓகேயா? இப்போ what is 1 to 1 function? 1 to 1 function definition என்னது? That is distinct elements in A has distinct images in B. If it is 1 to 1 means we will tell that is f of A1 equal to f of A2 implies A1 equal to A2. F of A1 not equal to A2 implies A1 not equal to A2. If it is not 1 to 1 means it is many one function. Okay. அதே மாதிரி on to definition நான் உங்களுக்கு சொல்லியிருக்கேன். It's every element in B has a unique element in A such that f of x equal to y. நான் last classலயே உங்களுக்கு on to definition சொல்லியிருக்கேன். இப்போ function is on to, then you have the range equal to codomain. The range of the function equal to codomain. First question, f of x equal to x square, you have to prove it is 1 to 1 on 2. So how to prove f is 1 to 1? f is 1 to 1 என்ன prove பண்ணணும்னா நீங்க f of x1 equal to f of x2, let us assume, okay, assume f of x1 equal to f of x2, that implies x1 equal to x2, then the function is 1 to 1. Okay, இப்போ இந்த problem, particular problemல f of x equal to x square and a is given by minus 1 to 1. It is a mapping f from a to a. Okay, so what is f of 1 எடுத்துட்டீங்கன்னா 1 square equal to 1. அதே மாதிரி f of minus 1 எடுத்தீங்கன்னா என்ன வரும்? It is minus 1 the whole square. So you get 1 equal to 1 square, that is 1, and f of minus 1 equal to minus 1 the whole square equal to 1. So here the two elements 1 and minus 1 have the same images 1 1, okay, but the distinct elements have distinct images, then only it is a 1 1 function. But inge different ah irukku parenga, different elements have same image, okay, therefore the function is not 1 to 1. Therefore f is not 1 to 1, it is many one function. Next question, next you have to prove f is on 2. f is not 1 to 1. Similarly we can prove f is not on 2 since one has the same, that is different image 1 and minus 1, so same thing is applicable for onto. Therefore the function f is not 1 to 1 and onto, therefore it is not bijective. So now f is not 1 to 1 and onto, therefore it is not bijective. Okay, next we prove the second problem. Second question is f of x equal to modulus x. Again you have to prove the distinct elements in A must have a distinct images in B. இதுலயும் உங்களுக்கு same condition தான், 1 and minus 1 நீங்க எடுங்க, எடுத்தீங்கன்னா modulus of 1 equal to plus 1, next modulus of minus 1 also plus 1, so both the elements have the same images. Okay, so now what is f of 1? f of 1 equal to modulus 1 is equal to 1. Next f of minus 1 equal to modulus minus 1 equal to 1. The two elements, different element have the same image, therefore f is not 1 to 1 and on 2. Okay, therefore this f is not bijective. These are all 1 mark questions. Next, third question is f of x equal to x by 2. x by 2 இல்லையா? இப்போ இதுலயும் again நீங்க 1 to 1 on to prove பண்ணலாம். Again for a 1 to 1 condition you have to assume, let us assume f of x1 equal to f of x2 னு assume பண்ணிட்டு x1 equal to x2 prove பண்ணிட்டீங்கன்னா f is 1 to 1. On to again you have to prove that the element in B has, that is element in the codomain has a distinct image, pre-image in your domain function, then it is onto. இப்போ அதான் நம்ம ப்ரூவ் பண்ண போறோம். First f is 1 to 1. So let us assume f of x1 equal to f of x2. Assume. So you get x1 by 2 equal to x2 by 2. So 2 get cancelled. x1 equal to x2. So f of x1 equal to f of x2 implies x1 equal to x2. That implies f is 1 to 1. Next you have to prove onto. Next இப்போ f வந்து on to prove பண்ண போறோம். 1 to 1 prove பண்ணியாச்சு. So f on to prove பண்றதுக்கு என்ன கொடுத்திருக்காங்க condition? f of x equal to x by 2. f is a mapping from minus 1 to 1, minus 1 to 1. So you take y is equal to x by 2. So write x in terms of y. x is equal to 2y. So 2 into y means this 2y is not an element in minus 1. Because இப்போ suppose நீங்க y equal to 1 ன்னு எடுத்துக்கோங்க வெச்சுக்கோங்க. y is equal to, when y is equal to 1, we have 2 into 1, that is 2 is not an element in minus 1. So in the interval kulla minus 1 to 1, 2 is not an element. So you are not having an element, that is every element in x has a, every element, definition ennadu, every element y in a, there exists x in a such that f of x equal to y. This is the definition for onto. But there is no element in A. So this element does not exist in A. So when y equal to 1, we have no pre-image in A. Therefore f is not onto. It is 1 to 1, but f is 1 to 1, so therefore f is 1 to 1, but not onto. Next problem, f from z to integer, f of x equal to x square plus 4. You have to prove f is 1 to 1 and onto. Eppadi prove pannadhu? Same condition. Let us assume f of x1 equal to f of x2. Okay. So f is 1 to 1. Let us assume f of x1 equal to f of x2. So what do you get? This is x square plus 5. So replace x1. So x1 square plus 5 equal to x2 square plus 5. Currently cancel பண்ணிருங்க. So you bring this side. So x1 square minus x2 square equal to 0. That implies x1 x2 into x1 plus x2 is equal to 0. Either x1 equal to x2 or x1 equal to minus x2. This is not possible, isn't it? Same element x1 equal to x2 இருக்குது, இங்க x1 equal to minus x2. But you get a distinct image. So you are having a different, same, that is different, or single element x1 have two different images. Therefore, f is not 1 to 1. Okay, f is not 1 to 1 means f is many one function. Okay, so அடுத்தது f is on to prove பண்ணலாம். On to க்கு நான் already சொல்லிருக்கிற மாதிரி, that is you have to prove the codomain equal to the range of the function. So இப்போ என்ன பண்றீங்கன்னா, the range of the function is equal to codomain. அதை prove பண்ண போறோம். So what is the function? So the function is x square plus 5. So write y is equal to x square plus 5. Write x in terms of y. So x square இதில் என்ன வருது? Bring this one. So y minus 5. This x square is greater than or equal to 0 left hand. So y minus 5 is greater than 0. That implies y is greater than or equal to 5. Okay, y greater than or in the last class la போட்ட மாதிரி range போட போறோம். y is greater than or equal to 5 means y belongs to closed interval 5 to infinity. So this is your range. So range is equal to range of f is equal to the closed interval 5 to infinity. So 5 ல இருந்து start ஆகுது. But the set of integers வந்து உங்களுக்கு என்ன வரும்? Z equal to etc. minus infinity, it starts from minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 etc. இந்த மாதிரி இருக்கிறத integers. So but இங்க element வந்து 5 ல இருந்து தான் start ஆகுது. So this is your integer. Therefore the range is not equal to codomain. Okay. Therefore f is not 1, 2. Therefore f is a into function. Not onto means it is the into. 1. It is not 1 to 1 is many one function. If it's not onto means it is a into a function. Therefore f is not bijective. Okay, the problem is over.